Here we have a trigonometry problem. It is based on the concept of circle, supplementary, and you can say the trigonometric value of different angle based on that. All right. So the question is saying if A, B, C, D are the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, prove that cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D equals to 0. So first we need to understand what is a cyclic quadrilateral. All right. Cyclic quadrilateral is such a quadrilateral which is made inside a circle. Right, if I have this circle, and inside this circle, if I have a let's say any type of the quadrilateral, I don't care that. Right, we don't have to worry about that, whether a parallelogram or a square or a trapezium, in any kind of quadrilateral we do have, that does not matter. All right, and these are the angles. So let's say this is angle A, let's say this is angle B, let's say this is angle C, let's say this is angle D. And now the concept in this cyclic quadrilateral is that the sum of the opposite angles, sum of the angle A and sum of the angle C is always supplementary, is always 180 degree. Similarly, sum of the B and D, angle D, will be sum of the B and sum of the angle D will be 180 degree. This is the concept, right? So this is the concept, and now the concept that we learn in the trigonometry, applying those, we can solve this. Right, so let's write here left hand side. Our left hand side is cosine of A plus cosine of B plus cosine of C plus cosine of D. And now see cosine of A. All right, so let's write it is cosine of A. Cosine of B, I'm writing cosine of B. All right, and let's write this a little differently. This is A and this is C. All right, so I'm writing A is equals to 180 degree minus C. All right, so after that, if I'm taking both side cosine, then cosine of A and then cosine of 180 minus C. All right, so cosine of A, again cosine of A will be equal to now cosine of 180 minus C. So if you see 180 minus C, then you know this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, and this is 270 degree. All right, so I'm in this line now. In this line, you know that the value did not get changed, like cosine will be cosine. All right, the cosine minus C means I'm in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is negative, and since I'm on the basis of 180, so it will be cos C only. All right, so it's going to be now minus of cos C. So cos A is going to be equal with minus of cos C. All right, so similarly, if I'm dealing with this B plus D, then B I can write 180 minus D, and I'm taking both side cosine, so it will be cosine of B and cosine of 180 minus D. So here I can write cosine of B is minus of cosine of D. Right, so here see cosine of C I can easily write now from here. If cosine of A is equal with minus cosine of C, so it means cosine of C is actually minus of cosine of A. All right, similarly here cosine of D is minus of cosine of B. All right, just I change the sign, that's it. All right, so cosine of C I can write minus cosine of A, and similarly cosine of D I can write minus cosine of this cosine of D is actually minus cosine of B. Right, cosine of B. So now look at this, what do we get? We can multiply it also, one more step we can make, just way of making, elaborating, that's it. Plus minus minus. All right, and then plus minus again minus. All right, and now we can cancel it. Right, cos A minus plus cos B minus cos B, and we're gonna get 0, and that's our right hand side the question was saying. And here we are done, this is proved. All right, so this was only the concept here. You know, the concept was here only, like the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. This was the concept and the trigonometry concept. We mixed this geometry concept with the trigonometry, and we had got this question based on that, and we solved it. All right, similar type of the lot of question you'll get, sometimes rhombus related question, or sometimes simple square or rectangle related questions you'll get. So you should be able to solve that. All right, supplementary, complementary related questions you'll get. All right, so be cool and just do it, apply your concept what you had learned. That's it. All right, and if there is any problem, then please feel free to comment below this video, in this video, or any other such problem if you have, then you can send me, you can message me. All right, and if I'll get the time, then definitely I will try to work on that. All right, catch you in the next video with next concept. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. All right.